Right, good morning everybody, 10:15 Sunday morning. I'm just trying to track Michael down. We were hoping to go for a winch or something, but the weather sucks like it was meant to be. It's actually his birthday today, he is 31, so happy birthday mate. Facebook just told me, so we'll see. I don't really know what's going to happen today. I am itching to do something probably other than just diving. I do have a couple of ideas. I'll give it half an hour and get back to you. Yeah! Bloody hell! Right, I have a plan. The plan is Ryan, who I've dove with a couple of times. He's from South Africa. We're going for a dive. The weather's shit. We were hopefully going to be winching. Mike's busy and there's not really too many other people. So I'm going to get cameras ready. The boat's still right here at home. So we're going to go get in the water and hopefully get a bloody fish or two. Right, boat's ready. The weather, while it looks good now, the sun is out. You can see these flipping massive squalls coming across. I may actually think about selling our Ricochet here, coming into the summer and buying a Thundercat. I've been thinking about it for a while, and that was actually the original plan, but now that I'm dealing with this Thundercat Association, it might be something I may seriously look at. What's the fizz like? Fizz. Oh, okay. Our spot. We've had a huge drill because I wasn't close enough, but ton of surf down there. We're going to shift, try somewhere else and come back. Back in, Ryan has just left. I'm still in my wetsuit, gonna have a shower, get cleaned up, and then I might go shoot a little time lapse or something. Go just have a little coffee. I'm working out now if I can get the boat to the sheds, put it away and make it to a little spot before the sun goes down, I'll make a move. Looks like I'm going to make it just before the sun goes down. It's actually looks quite nice out there, so we'll shoot a photo, get a little time lapse. Right, I'm right down here at the southern end. Where the sun's going down there is actually Mount Tamahanga is there, and up the northern end of Omaha, the sun actually sets earlier up that end than down here. I think it's by about, I don't know, probably 10 minutes, but if you look at the start of this time lapse, the height of the sun's actually about the level of Tamahanga right now. But that is it for another weekend. A little bit disappointing this Arvo. We had a good burley up and it felt good in the water and saw a couple fish swim past, but didn't get anything really. You can always scratch your feed together from something, but I mean, we were looking for something decent and it just didn't happen. But that's spearfishing. That's it for the week. There's a lot happening. I'm trying to get away again already. I do want to try and get away next weekend if the weather, everything's weather dependent at the moment. You may have noticed that it's basically been shit most of the time, which makes it pretty hard to get away and go and do things, but we'll see what we can do. That's it for now. I'm Sam Price. I will see you at the beach.